What's up, guys? Check it out. This is a trip. This is kind of like an awakening moment right now, because this particular house that I'm cleaning, I cleaned before I really decided to go headfirst with the carpet cleaning business. I always had a portable, but the portable that I had was old Ninja. I mean, it was bad shape, old, no vacuum. I mean, it was like 200 psi. So anyway, I cleaned this house and just was so unhappy with the machine, and that pushed me to get a better portable. Okay, so even though I didn't stick with that portable long either, because I learned how to get that phone to ring, moved up to a truck mount. This house right here is actually what pushed me to start my business. If I wouldn't have made that first step to get a better machine, I wouldn't be here. So, white carpet. You know, the lady didn't call me back. It's been, I don't know, 5-6 years. I haven't been back to clean it. New owners here, so we're gonna totally redeem ourselves this time. So we're doing a pet treatment all through the house. We're gonna, I'm just gonna do a Green Rhino cocktail all through the house. So we got pet stains here. You bring out the light, so detected everything. White carpet. All right, for my pet treatment, this is the product. My pre-sprays. This is the actual cleaning solution. We're gonna boost it with a deodorizer and stain and odor peroxide here. So we're gonna make the Green Rhino cocktail, put it all on there, and pre-spray the whole carpet. As you can tell, Brenda's in there doing some agitation throughout the house. We want to agitate the solution into the carpet. Give it as much dwell time as possible. That's why we do everything first. I'm going to go along the stairs with this. There was a bunch here. All right. You know what this look is? It's a look of confidence. So way up my game since I first started out. As a matter of fact, my cleaning solution I was using was just from a local janitorial, just some off-brand stuff. So yeah, so don't do it the hard way. Don't do it like me. Don't let it take you so long to figure everything out and get to the point where it is now. That learning curve can be really straightforward. I do have a course that I offer. Check that out below my videos, all my videos, and see you in the next one. Ever since I'm a kid, I'm thinking I'm cursed. I'm really thinking I'm cursed. Thank God I finally found a better way. Thank God I finally found a better way. Thank God I finally found a better way.